Hey everyone, so I'm getting over another cold. Uh, my psychiatrist was not kidding. Having COVID has messed up my immune system. Uh, it's been months, and this is my second cold in 2 months. I had COVID 4 months ago, or thereabouts. Anyway, I'm going to use these two colors right here, the Periwinkle. And I might mix a little bit of black for the contour. I just put like lavender lipstick on my, yeah, lipstick. I have lavender concealer too, but I didn't want to look for it. The color that I'm using on this side has a little bit of shimmer to it, but I don't think it's really gonna you're gonna see it. Let's put that on here. Yeah, you can see I'm sniffling a little bit. Let me get in front of the light. I had it really, this one was really bad. Um, and I started feeling better little by little. But I don't know if, if you've been watching me for a while, look at all that fallout. I have polyps in my throat. And that has been horrible because even though I'm feeling a lot better, my throat is, it feels like, sometimes it just feels like something's cutting my throat, like, it's like a scratch. So that's what's been the worst part about this cold. I think I might have I took that color, it has a little bit of glitter, but it doesn't show. Now I think this color is going to be too light. Um, well, that's interesting. It's not even transferring. Yeah, that was the lighter color. That's all right. So I'm gonna put a little bit of black, just right there. And, and then just blend it. What a mess. There's a lot of fallout with this. I'm glad I used that color on my lid because it is prettier than the other color. I'm just gonna put this. I took from the NYX. They had like a 6 colors in one as a face powder, but it was like made my skin look too pale. So I'm just using this for the inner corner. It's a white that was in there, and it was the only color that was shimmery. So I kind of like took that out and used the other one, mixed it with regular face powder. I'm gonna put that right here. Open that up a little bit. So yeah, my son is a lot better from the cold, but that scratchiness in my throat is the coughing just messes me up so bad. I'm just using a white. I don't want to lift it because it just all the inside is all broken right now. It's gonna spill, but I just use my Manic Panic white face powder, and I'm just gonna put that right here. Let's do this. And just try and blend this out a little bit. So I'm going to clean up, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone! So cleaned up, just put on Revlon Berry Blush because it was here. I have my Milani lipsticks here. I gravitate towards the Hot collection. So I just put there was a dark purple and a light purple, and I mixed those together with this gorgeous purple gloss from the Hot collection from Milani. I love it. Hot Flash. They came with a dark plum and then like a light violet and this gorgeous gloss. So that's just what I did. I realized it's not the very Perry. Their Perry looked like lighter, but I just wanted to use that Perry in my 120 palette. As for my hair, I don't know why when I want something I can't get it, and then when I don't want it is when I get it. But the indigo color did not want to come out, and I had that in my hair for about an hour, and I didn't want to leave it longer because, you know, hair damage, right there, hair so damaged. Also, this came out like a light gold, the very dark parts. And there you have the red from the indigo and a little bit of the red from on top. And the weird thing is that this was lighter, the gold. I did the same exact thing I did the last time when my hair came out as really beautiful silvery color. Used the same exact stuff, and for some reason this time it didn't come out that same color. It's Lavender Moon by, I think, Ion. I put most of it like in the roots so that gold would come out. It made it more gold. Just slightly purplified this reddish color. Yeah, I just didn't want to go over it. And this came out more like I mean, in real life it looks more like a taupey blonde. Not like last time there was a really silvery blonde color. So I'm sucking on a lozenge because before I started the video I went into one of my coughing jags. It's horrible. It's like, you know, it's just like you have something scratching you and you just keep coughing to make it go away, and it won't go away. And I have to take, Luden's is not bad. Luden's sugar-free is pretty good. So that's what happened that's what I did for makeup. That's what happened with my hair.